how you can make your first $500 per day with Google and Google Ads. So as you watch this video right now, I want to talk about exactly step by step how to do it. The first thing you have to remember if you're newbie watching this video is you need to have someone who help you along the way. If I could go back many years ago, I would definitely get a coach or a mentor or someone who can help me step by step, hand holding me one-on-one along the way. That will fast forward you ahead of everyone else, of everybody else who's doing the same copy and paste thing on clickbank or any other affiliate networks who's trying to promote digital or physical products online. Okay, let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, the main reason I'm doing this is because I love to have location freedom. Once you have location freedom, you can go anywhere, you can travel all around the world. You can go and wake up, like you can see over here behind me, look, have a look. You see this beautiful ocean behind me? I'm traveling all the time. And how I make money is by using Google Ads. So Google Ads, I love it because people go on Google for what? To look for education, get educated, or to buy products or services online, right? Nothing else. So the very, very high buyer's intent on Google. Now, you have to know how to advertise on Google and what to sell on Google. So the first thing is, okay, who is your audience? Once you know that, you can pick a niche, you can pick a subcategory, and remember, it's all about understanding audience awareness levels. You have low emotional states, high emotional states audiences, right? There are people who just buy the product, like for example, iPhone or Starbucks. They go into the Starbucks, they just buy coffee. So what you want to do is you want to have your own little Starbucks shop, coffee shop, right? And by that I mean having a real digital real estate, a blog or a website. And on that website you can sell and promote different products. But it's very important how you do it, right? Psychology behind it, it's very, very important. How you set it up, how you pre-sell your products or services online, very important, right? So as you watch this video, if you want to know how to do it with Google, I would suggest you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Over here, like this video, you can comment. I will have Instagram, WhatsApp, my Facebook, email, everything below in the description. You can find me, you can connect with me one-on-one, but only if you're serious, right? If you're really serious to get some kind of results as with affiliate marketing, with clickbank, with Facebook ads, Google ads in this case, right? Because on Google, right, you can target by positive keywords and negative keywords, right? You can exclude or include different people online, right? I know as you watch this video, maybe you have tried different things in past. Maybe you tried different things, maybe it didn't work out, right? And you gave up. I understand. I used to be there. I know how it feels because I used to do that before. But now you have a chance. Today you have opportunity to not make excuses, not procrastinate. If you want to make money online with clickbank, with affiliate marketing, with NextWeb or Google Ads, right? It's very easy. It's simple. But you need to have someone who help you to show the new way of doing affiliate marketing in 2024. Not the outdated way where you are stressed, waking up in the morning, thinking, will my Google ad account get shut down today, right? If you do everything by the law, compliance, right, ethical way, you don't have to worry about getting your Google ad accounts shut down in any way, right? And there is also a way to get it back if you lose it, so no problem. Now, the most important thing is choosing the right offer to promote, right? That has a great upsell take rate. So in my case, I love to promote products that pay, let's say, at least minimum $50 to $200 to $300 per sale. Why? Because with one sale or 3 sales per day, I can be easily making over 10,000 euros or 10,000 US dollars per month in profit. Very easy. Once you have the average order value high and upsell take rate very, very high, right? That's very important because once you have that with my friend, then you can get really, really great results. So as you watch this video, if you want to get results, okay, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so just subscribe to my YouTube channel over here. Let me know, connect with me one-on-one, okay? So one day you can take it serious. And as you can see over here, look this beautiful view. I'm sharing this with you not to brag, but again to show you what is possible once you take affiliate marketing or Google ads very seriously. Once you stop making excuses. So if you're an action taker watching this video right now, all you have to do is connect with someone who will, like your friend, build personal relationship with you and help you succeed. Again, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.